Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I obtain this cute hairstyle using braiding hair. All the products that I use I will link it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave that down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm firstly going to start off by brushing and detangling my hair as well as moisturizing it because it is so dry in this moment. The products that I will be using to moisturize my hair with is Black Velvet Moisturizing Hair Lotion, as well as a Super Grow Olive Oil, and as always, argan oil. As I'm detangling my hair, I'm applying the products into my hair. Now that I'm done detangling my hair, I will tie it up into a ponytail. Then I will apply Vida molding gel around the perimeter of my hair to ensure that it becomes as slick as possible. Now I will brush my hair and tie it up into a ponytail, and I will also make sure that my hair is as slick and as flat as it can possibly be. I will now be adding a bobby pin to the front section of my hair just to make sure that it lays flat. I'll be adding the braiding hair to my hair, and then I will form the bun. If you want to see how I add braiding hair to my hair, I will leave a playlist in the card of tutorials that I previously did. Now I will be doing my edges. It's very much giving big bun, more fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed creating this hairstyle. If you want to see similar content, check out my playlist. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.